Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to start off with a very sincere thank you to everybody. I've broke 500 subscribers. It means more than you could ever imagine that people take their time out of their day to like my videos, to watch my videos. It just means so much. So this giveaway, I'm doing this one a little bit different. The one for 1,000 subs is probably going to be the typical name drawing free-for-all, but this one I went through and I looked, and my wife's noticed and other people's noticed and brought this to my attention. There's always one person that has commented and liked and watched every single video, and that is Robert Marin. I don't know if it's Marin, you can correct me on that, but Robert, you've won the giveaway contest just for the amount of support that you've given me. Never fails, every video you've commented on, and that means a lot to me that you take time out of your day to watch my stuff. Also, people, Robert has a channel. It's a damn good SN channel, so if you need somebody else, I'll leave a link in the description. But thank you so much for the support. Like I said, the 1,000 will probably be a name drawing, but I didn't want this one to be about what I can give away. I just wanted to show my support to the people who support me. So again, Robert, you won the micro mechanic, and I hope you can use it good. I know your car's OBD2, so you can run the torque app, you can get all the live stream data and all that stuff. Excuse the hair, I've been in the pool today and just enjoying the hot weather and stuff today. But my arms are propped up on a box here, and I'm going to do some unboxing. But I shared on my Instagram story the price and everything, and seeing who could guess what it was. UPR, 33 pounds. Any guess? I should remove all doubt right there. UPR K Member. So excited. Now guys, I went with a K Member for a number of reasons. I've been wanting one for a while. Just when you go to work on the engine, there's so much more room. I can do headers without dropping everything. I can do whatever I need to do pretty much, and not have to worry about dropping the K Member. The tubular is stronger than the factory one. It weighs less. As you can see, this in the box and everything, total shipping weight is only 33 pounds. I think the stock one is 60 something pounds, somewhere around there. I can't remember exactly, but just the amount of room that this will open up will be beneficial. Also, the UPR K Member is what the OM3 Turbo Kit is designed around. So the OM3 kit is the cheapest boost route. I'm not saying I'm going to go that route, but if I do, I already have this taken care of. I initially bought this because of the ease of me doing my own work, and the ease of me being able to, install the headers and everything, and the weight drop is going to be great. So let's get on with unboxing this thing. I haven't even looked at it, but this is the one that includes the spring purchase, so I can use my factory arms, which I just replaced. So thankfully that'll be good, and eventually I'll probably go tubular arms too, but for now, we'll just go this route and see how it works for me. Alright, I just got it cut with my old trusty scissors, and wow, there it is in all its glory. Well, that is gorgeous, actually. Comes with a sticker. Nice. Them stickers add power. Man, this thing is so lightweight. It's got all the washers here, and then this should be the spring purchase. Let me cut that real quick and see. And there is the spring perch right here. So that'll go on them bolt holes, and it'll line up, go up underneath, and that way the spring has a hat pretty much to sit in. So I will be installing this soon. I got the the engine support that sits on the fenders, and basically you take off the alternator and hook it to them bolts, and it will support the engine. And then I can drop the K Member and install this one. And like I said, I am so very excited. Now it did go through the box right there, but they wrapped this so good that I doubt I'm going to have any issues from any of this. I'm beyond excited right now. This is something I've wanted for a very long time. Yeah, I don't know how, since I've got the Mustang, pretty much this is a plan that I've wanted to do. Sorry, my hair is all crazy. Anyway, it just, I never really seen a reason for it. But they are normally well over $400. And then you add the spring purchase, that usually adds another $50 on it. I got this off of eBay from UPR, came straight from UPR. You can see on the package there and the label that I showed y'all. But it was $364 with spring purchase and free shipping. And when I ordered, there was only 2 of these left for my car, and there was only 14 hours left on the auction. So I had to just jump on this. There was no way I could just sit back and say, oh man, I should have got that. I had to jump on this, and I'm so glad I did. It looks great. UPR is one of these companies that you very seldom hear anything bad from. Now there might be a product here or there, but you know, everybody's got something that they don't do I don't know, great. But usually UPR is just quality. I mean, look at Mustang Lifestyle's car. He's got just about every UPR suspension part with his Viking shocks, and that car on the Turbo Bullet just hooks and it goes. So I'm very excited for this. I hope y'all are too. Look forward to the install video. I wasn't going to put this with the giveaway video, but it just, you know, I wasn't expecting to get it today. I wasn't supposed to be here till next week. But with UPR being, let's see, where are they at? They're in Lake Worth, Florida. So they're only a few hours away from me. So I got this extremely fast. But guys, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate every bit of support I can get. And until next time, peace.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come.